Don't miss your chance to get the 2026 edition of the LSU AgCenter's Get It Growing Lawn and Garden Calendar. Now, these make great holiday gifts too, and they're packed full of information. So in these calendars, you're going to find beautiful photography that's really inspirational. It can give you great ideas for your own landscapes and gardens at home. Each month of the calendar is full of wonderful gardening tips with focus areas on lawns, ornamental landscapes, fruits and vegetables as well. Now, there's also some feature articles here, one on camellias and how important those have been to the history of Louisiana landscaping. There's a great how-to section on how to permanently rid your lawn and landscape from pesky vines, and there's also a feature on 2026 Super Plant selections that the Ag Center's made. These calendars make a great gift for someone or even a great gift for yourself. Now, you can order your copy at lsuagcenter.com or check your local garden center.